how to enable or disable iCloud Mail Send Auto Reply on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we go down and then tap on Apple ID or your Apple account at the top here. Next, we tap on iCloud, then tap on iCloud Mail. Next, we scroll down and tap on Auto Reply. In here, tap on Send Auto Reply. Tap on the toggle button to switch it on or turn it off. When you turn on Send Auto Reply, you can set the schedule, start date schedule, and end date schedule. So your auto reply response is currently active, so we can switch it on, the start date and end date. And then finally, you can enter the auto replied message. And then tap on done. And that's it. So once you have set this up, whenever you receive an email, your phone will automatically reply with that set message. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.